What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Right, this is in between my actual tutorial videos, just a quick sort of advice video. So for those of you getting the P1336 and the P1340, I think it is, codes on your Peugeot engines in general, for the you might get the depollution system failure warning up and it's running like rubbish. A lot of the forums and that are confused themselves, and they're pointing towards camshaft sensors, which this engine doesn't have, and crankshaft sensors, which have replaced and didn't make a difference, and coil pack changing, etc, etc. Also, it points towards spark plugs in general. So I've just pulled the coil pack off to just check the plugs, and sure enough, the rocker cover's gone and everything is covered in oil. Like covered, there's no good connections anywhere because it's just soaked in oil, as you can probably see a bit there. So what I'd advise you to do is, if you do have this fault code, before you change crankshaft sensors, start spending big money on coil packs, etc, just check the plugs, because just the plugs being fouled by oil is what's causing this problem. And it's a fairly simple fix to do the rocker cover and change the plugs. So for these fault codes, please check your spark plugs first, because it could be this, you know, it's covered in oil, it's definitely the problem sort of thing. And that's it, just a quick one for a bit of advice, because I know a lot of people are struggling to suss these codes. I hope this is useful, I hope it helps. If you've got any comments, questions, let me know in the comments section. And hopefully you won't have the trouble that I've had of trying to diagnose it, and it could just be something as simple as you've got fouled plugs. So yeah guys, any sort of ignition fault codes in general, I'd strongly recommend check the plugs first, go with the simple stuff first, and then if it's not that, we can go from there and start changing other bits. I hope you found this useful guys, thanks for watching.